Hey, what's going on, guys? Appreciate everybody joining up tonight. We have the Topps Chrome Jumbo Hobby Box. I know eBay had some difficulties tonight. I am going to have to cancel all the orders of the payments made after 11:50 p.m. Eastern Time. If you paid before then, don't worry, you'll get your teams. It's only the second time this happened. Hopefully eBay gets it figured out soon. Sorry for any inconveniences tonight. Had to delay the break and hope everybody got their team. Ready to pull some fire for you guys. Again, all payments made after 11:50 p.m. Eastern will be canceled. Appreciate everybody who could join up tonight. I know it was tough to get through with eBay. But I'm ready to open some stuff up for you guys still, so we're still going to make it happen. Good luck to everybody. And we'll go ahead and get to cracking. We do have a bonus hanger box tonight as well. So stay tuned for that afterwards. That gets split amongst everybody who has a team. Yeah, it's crazy though. I don't know why that happens with eBay every once in a while. And the last time it happened the day before spring training, which is crazy. And then now it happens the day before opening day. It's wild. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. Hope you guys get some good stuff tonight. We got Matt Thias, rookie, starting us off. Gene Segura, Logan Webb, rookie. Tatis Jr., rookie cup, nice. Savali, new guy in Cleveland. He had a good year. Nice, there we go. Our first base auto rookie, Mauricio Dubon, to the Giants. Orlando Arcia, refractor. And let's flip-a-roo here for the Prism refractor, Jose Urena. Brandon Crawford. Gurriel Jr., Hunter Dozier. Michael Baez, rookie. And Aaron Nola. Logan Allen, base rookie in Cleveland. Jeff McNeil. Ooh, nice. Ho. Mike Trout, rookie reprint relic to the Angels. There you go, LA. That's sick. Sean Murphy, freshman flash, rookie. Urshela, refractor. And we got a prism. Carter Kieboom. Mondesi. Swanson. Victor Reyes. Paul DeJong, and Yoan Moncada. Wow, what a trout. Don't worry, I'll get that top loaded for you. I got my thicker top loaders are upstairs. I keep forgetting to bring them down. Zach Allen, base rookie. Miguel Rojas, Dustin May, rookie. It's a nice one. I like that. Oscar Mercado. Junior Fernandez, base rookie. Ooh, nice. Blue Wave. Jake Fraley. Auto rookie. 87 out of 150. There you go, Mariners. That's sick. And a Sean Murphy refractor rookie. 85 Bichette. Nice. It's a good pack. Ketel Marte. Walker Buehler. Ohtani. Blake Snell. And Luis Robert, base rookie. Nice. Hanging out in the back. That was a good pack. A Bo, a Luis, and a Fraley Blue Wave auto. Max Scherzer. Jesus Luzardo, base rookie. D. Gordon. Brendan McKay, nice. Corey Kluber. Travis Lakins, refractor auto. Nice. To the Red Sox, Mike Yastrzemski. Luis Robert, 85. That's nice. Yastrzemski was a refractor, too. I think I might have forgot to say that. Yamamoto, base rookie. Santander. Andres Munoz, base rookie in San Diego. Juan Soto and Robel Garcia. Three autos already. Maybe we'll get extra. It's so strange how Travis used a big black Sharpie. Brian Reynolds. Justin Verlander, Gleyber Torres, Mike Yastrzemski, Trent Grisham, base rookie, nice. That's a good one. Sheldon Neuse, base auto rookie, to Oakland. Kyle Schwarber, refractor. Prism refractor, Nico Horner. Nice. That's sick. Chris Archer. Brock Burke, rookie. Jonathan Villar, or VR. Zach Collins, base rookie, and Patrick Corbin. Wow, 4 autos already. We still got 7 packs. Jose Urquidy, base rookie, Houston. Elvis Andrus, David Peralta, Tommy Edman, Tim Anderson. We got a freshman flash, Yordan Alvarez. Nice. Refractor, Whit Merrifield. Prism refractor, Reese Hoskins. Pablo Lopez, nice. Bo Bichette, base rookie. Solid. Jeff Samardzija. Matt Chapman. And Joey Votto. Blue Jays with another bow. Jake DeGrom, Sean Murphy, new guy in Oakland. Alberto. Yu Chang, base rookie, nice. We got a Future Stars, Keston Hiura. Die cut, Willie Mays. Refractor, Jacob DeGrom. That's sick. We got an 85, Jose Altuve. Anthony Kay, rookie. Trey Turner. AJ Puck. Base rookie, Dan Vogelbach, and Yordan Alvarez. Nice. Been getting the good rookies hanging out in the back. We had Luis Robert in our last card in the last pack, too. Danny Jansen. Jorge Soler, Ramon Laureano, Eugenio Suarez. We have a Future Stars, Willians Astudillo. He had a pretty good spring. Ricky Henderson, die cut. Refractor, Gleyber Torres. We got an 85 rookie. Jesus Luzardo, nice. Lorenzo Cain. Jeimer Candelario. Josh Hader. Max Kepler and Cody Bellinger. Down to the last 4, plus a bonus hanger box. Trevor Williams, Andrew Heaney, Brandon Lowe, Mike Soroka. We have a Future Stars, John Means, Freshman Flash, Luis Robert, nice. refractor, Luis Arias. I was about to flip there, but this one's a horizontal for the Prism. Justin Dunn, rookie, Prism refractor. Nice. Carlos Santana, Marcus Semien. Bogarts, Acuna Jr., and Whit Merrifield. Albert Pujols, Tyler Glasnow, Chris Bryant, Aaron Judge, Corey Seager, Tim Lopez, base auto rookie, to Seattle. Ooh, nice, a refractor, Acuna Jr., that's sick. We got a Prism refractor, Brusdar Graterol, rookie in LA. Brandon Belt, Tony Gonsolin. Another one for the Dodgers. Scott Kingery. Dubon, base rookie. And John Means. Mariners with the 5th auto. Maybe Topps is feeling generous tonight. Maybe they'll give us a 6th. Miguel Cabrera, Javi Lopez, Masahiro Tanaka, Buster Posey, Christian Walker. Ooh, what's that? Boom! Gold refractor, Jose Ramirez. There you go, Cleveland. That's sick. Ooh, nice. 40 out of 50 on the Jose. And we have a Trent Grisham refractor rookie. Nice. There you go, San Diego. That's sick. Keston Hiura, 85. Orlando Arcia. Luis Arias. Kyle Schwarber. Urshela and Clayton Kershaw. That was a good pack. Nice Grisham, nice Ramirez. Brings us to the final pack of the Jumbo Box. Last pack magic, here we go. Aquino, base rookie. Kikuchi. Morejon, base rookie in San Diego. Brian Anderson. We have a Future Stars, Chris Paddock. Yes, Green Wave, refractor. Jacob deGrom. That's sick. 99 out of 99 on the deGrom. Justin Verlander, refractor. 85, Gavin Lux. That's sweet. Seth Brown, rookie. Michael Conforto. Gratterall, base rookie. Urena and Nico Horner. Nice. Finished on good rookies. A lot of those packs. Go ahead and hit that hanger box for the bonus for you guys. Just a second here. Let me get that DeGrom sleeved up. I'll get that box for you guys. That's a sick DeGrom. All right, guys, we got some 2021 Topps. Let's see if we can get something good in here for you guys. Maybe we'll get something. Sometimes our bonuses do very well. Good luck on the bonus, guys. We got Tatis right on top. I'll probably go through these base cards pretty quick. We'll try to get to that middle where all the parallels are. There is a lot of good rookies in this set. Kane, Daza, Kyle Lewis, Rookie Cup. Vogt, Trey Turner, Alfaro. Give me some more rookies. There we go. Dane Dunning to the White Sox. There's a rookie, Mitch White to the Dodgers. Benintendi. I think that is a gold that we have in here. That'll be nice. Chadwick Tromp, rookie for the Giants. Who's going to get the gold? Who's going to get the gold? Ooh, we have a foil as well. Nice. Boom. Mookie Betts to the Dodgers for the gold. 630 out of 2021. That is numbered. And for the foil, Colin Moran to the Pirates. 52 Topps, Votto, Gleyber Torres, Strasburg, and Alec Bohm, rookie. Nice. There you go, Phillies. That's a sick one. Barry Larkin for the 86 Topps. There's an Ernie Banks. Platinum Players die cut. That's sick. Andres Jimenez, base rookie. Nice. That's a sick one. Nick Madrigal, rookie. There's some good rookies in the set. James Carpellion, rookie in Oakland. Alec Bohm, base rookie. Nice. Future Stars Lux. Let's see if we can hit any more. Definitely got some good ones in here. Dylan Carlson, nice. Yeah, I can't wait to start breaking 2021 Topps Chrome. That's gonna be fun. Brandon Bilak, rookie in Houston. I don't think we'll hit any more rookies, but let's see. There we go, Evan White. Oh, nice. Luis Garcia. We're hitting the majority of the good ones. Kai Boom. Awesome, guys. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate everyone's time tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. I know eBay was having some difficulties tonight, but we got around it, so we'll figure it all out. Thanks, everybody. Everybody have a good night tonight, and we'll see you guys again. Stay tuned for more baseball.